Hello dear fans. How to oxidize copper. Copper is one of the most valuable elements of the periodic table used by humans. Appearance: plastic metal, golden pinkish color. It is widespread in nature in the form of compounds, but nuggets are also found. Most of it goes to the production of electrical wires and heat exchange tubes, due to its extremely high electrical and thermal conductivity, as well as malleability and ductility. Copper is an inactive metal, but it enters into chemical reactions, including oxidation. Necessary: a piece of thin copper wire, holder, a source of flame, such as a spirit lamp or gas burner. Instructions. Step 1. Some people have seen bronze monuments that are literally painted in light green. This is not the work of unknown vandals, as it might seem at first glance. This is an oxidation reaction. Remember that bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. The monument, being in the open air, is exposed to precipitation. And the air contains a fair amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So a chemical reaction takes place. 2Cu plus H2O plus CO2 plus O2 equals Cu2CO3, OH, 2. The resulting green substance is malachite, the one sung by the storyteller Bazhov. It is to him that the old bronze monuments owe their color. Step 2. It is easy to guess that the more humid the climate and the more industrial and automobile emissions, the faster the copper contained in bronze will oxidize. You can also carry out a very simple and illustrative experiment on the oxidation of copper. Step 3. Clamp the wire firmly with a holder, a wooden clothespin or pliers, and bring the free end into the flame of an alcohol lamp or burner. Leave it there for a while so that the wire is well calcined, then remove from fire. You will clearly see that the cooled wire has changed color, that is, it has become black. This is an oxidation reaction that looks like this: 2Cu plus O2 equals 2CuO. Step 4. The experiment can be continued by placing the black end of the wire in a test tube with diluted hydrochloric acid. Before your eyes, the wire will again take on the color inherent in pure copper, and the acid solution will turn light blue, because copper oxide has been reduced to form its soluble chloride. The chemical reaction will look like this: UO plus 2HCl equals CuCl2 plus H2O. Thanks for watching.